On this video, I'm going to show you 3 Easter design trends that you need to be listing up for really quick because it's coming around the corner. So remember, guys, if you do love videos like this, remember to hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Anyways, let's get into this madness. So look, I'm on Etsy as usual. So check it out. Look, I've typed in Easter PNG on Etsy, and now I'm going to show you the 3 designs that are trending, that are popular, that are going to really do well for this Easter. And it's very simple to find. So check this out. Look, I'm coming down on page 1, right? And instantly I'm looking at popular nows and bestsellers. I can use Everbee also to do a little bit more research. So definitely check out Everbee. The link is in my video description. It will definitely help you do that really deep research. But I'm going to do some sort of initial research, should I say. So firstly, I'm going to just go down a page and see what's working. So I like to just go down. Literally, I just go down the page and just have a look and see what's working. And I'm going to identify 3 trends that are going to be big this Easter so quickly. It's crazy. Okay, so I've had a quick look, some interesting ones there. Yep, very interesting. Okay, I want to go back up. So now, first things first, this one is a popular now, this furry bunny with the glasses and the leopard print coquette bow tie. Now, the first thing I like to do is I see what repeats itself. So step 1, I'm seeing 1 there, I can see 2 there, I can see 3 there, I can see 4 there. There's 4 already bunnies with glasses, right? And they're all looking a little bit similar. That's 4 already on the first top of the first page. That's crazy. That's already telling me something, right? I'm going down, seeing if there's any more. Even if there isn't, I'm good with the 4. There's a 5th one there, crazy. So yeah, definitely that is going to be the first design trend, massive design trend that's going to be working. Now, I'm going to go deep into the research in a minute just to kind of touch on conversions and so on. And in fact, you can see like this one's a 1-month-old listing. And remember, this is through Everbee. This is the data that you won't get unless you've got Everbee. So check it out. This is the views, crazy amount of views and lots of sales. So definitely my number 1 or the first design trend that I would be listing up for Easter is that furry bunny face with a coquette bow tie and glasses, right? Now, the next one is going to be, I'll show you which one now. Keep coming down, keep coming down, keep coming down, keep coming down, keep coming down. And it's going to be this one. The 3 bunnies with the back to you. Now, I'm sure you've seen the these designs with the pets, the dogs with the back to you, or the people, the family with the back to you. So very desirable and high converting style of design. And Easter's no different. But I tell you what combines even better, and I'm going to show you in a second. You got this one, which is the 3 backs to you, and you got this one, which is also 3 backs to you. Yeah, both of them are making sales. You can see the sales there. One's 12-month-old listing, one's 1-month-old, but they're both making sales, right? They're both popular nows as well, right? Obviously, as Easter's coming up. But this is the combination that you need to get right. Now, they're both slightly different designs, as in like colors, right? But they both have something that works together. And let me tell you what that is. That is, they both have the coquette bow tie. You can see on the bunnies, they've got a coquette bow tie in the corner. You need to have the bunny back to you with the coquette bow tie. Now, for me personally, I'll do different variations. You can see one of them here. You got the leopard print. Leopard print seems to work really well with the bunnies, right? Even if I go up to the top very quickly, you can see that design that's popular also had that leopard print style with the coquette bow tie. So you have to have these elements in your head when you're designing. That leopard print seems to work, the bunnies with the glasses, the bunnies with the back to you, 3 of the bunnies back to you. Let's go back. Yep, go back to this one. 3 of the bunnies back to you. But look, guys, there's about 4 or 5 listings on this first page with this style. Look, there's 1, there's 2. Let me go up. I want to show you more. I missed this one. I didn't even see it. Here's another one. You can see it right there. And again, quite recent listing. But what do they have? The coquette bow tie with the back to you, 3 bunnies. Remember, 3 bunnies. Again, you got that sort of different checkered and leopard print-esque style. And there's even more. So that's already 3 with the back to you, right? And there's another 1 or 2. Here's another one there. But this one's quite interesting. They've got the patchwork style. And now, if you know, the patchwork style is also a really cool design trend that's been working Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's, and obviously it's working with this. I do like that style with the coquette bow tie as well. but in the patchwork style. And this is why I say do different variations of designs, do a patchwork style, do a vintage style, do a faux yarn style, that furry kind of sewn style. There's so many ways, as long as the elements are working, back to you, three bunnies with a coquette bow tie, then mix it up and do different styles of this variations, because something's gonna pop, something's gonna go viral, right? And now let me go down further. Are there any more? Look, here's another one, a popular now, quite a recent one. Again, coquette bow tie, really strong satin looking coquette bow tie with that leopard print. Three backs to you. Again, they got a similar style, the checkered leopard print and the other style. See, it works, guys. And it's a very recent listing, but it's got getting crazy views, you know? So you can't go wrong when you see listings that are repeating themselves, right? And you have to go for repetition, because repetition is data, and that is numbers right there in front of you telling you that you need to do this, right? So now I'm going to have to find for you the third listing that I believe also you should be doing. Okay, the third one I believe you should be doing, even though at the moment we have just one listing of this now, is the four geese. Now, the reason why I say this one is because it's only a 1 month old listing. It's literally just come on the scene, but the views are crazy. It's already got 1,380 views, and Etsy's already deemed it as a bestseller, even though the sales haven't come through yet because it's literally very, very new. But I know that with the four geese, they always seem to do well, right? Four geese always does well. And let me just show you what I'm talking about. Check this out. Okay, look, here's four geese for St. Patrick's Day. So you got the four geese with all the kind of shamrock, St. Patrick's Day hat, card, and all of that sort of St. Patrick's Day, even a coquette bow tie in a St. Patrick's Day colors, right? So you can see that when a design works, it should also be there at different times of the year, right? So the geese works because it's worked in Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's, and St. Patrick's Day. I'll show you more. Here it is for Halloween, done really well. Again, fantastically well during Halloween, but same principle, four geese. And I'll show you another one. And again, here it is for Valentine's Day. Now, I have this also for Christmas, and it just goes on and on and on. So the four geese is the third idea that you need to be listing up for Easter, and to make sure that you get those sales. Remember, try to do the combination things. Remember, what I personally would do is I would add other elements to it. So if I'm going to do geese for Easter, I'm going to have eggs, which is really common. I might have also the coquette bow tie in a certain style. Remember, the coquette bow tie combined with these elements always works well. We said that the bunnies on coquette worked well. The three bunnies with the back to you with the coquette bow tie worked well. So remember, this is absolutely key, guys, when you want to do your research and find those bestsellers, and to actually, make sure that you're able to find those trends and create these designs really quickly. Focus on the design elements, guys. Anyway, guys, I want to stop there. If you did like the video, remember, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and check out Everbee. The link is below as well. Take care.